Instantly transform the look of your furniture for a fraction of the cost with Subrtex's stretch slipcover, designed to provide a unique solution to protect your valuable possessions from daily wear and tear, pets and children. To install your Subrtex wing chair cover, remove the cover from the package and locate the tag labeled back. Begin by draping it over the furniture and properly place the cover's front section and back section. Starting at the top of the chair back, place the slipcover over the piece, lining up the shoulder seam, then stretch the cover around to the arms and seat. Position the fabric to match the contours of your furniture's curves and then allow it to relax naturally into place. Place the seat cushion back into position and tuck in all excess fabric into the crevices of the chair and smooth out all wrinkled sections. Your new wing chair slipcover is designed to hug the edges of your furniture and will stay tucked in. All Subrtex's slipcovers are machine washable for easy cleaning and the most cost-effective way to instantly transform your home decor like a pro.